Mm. Smoked turkey and noodles. Enough talk, let's get to cooking.
Ooh, they tripping.
Alright, for today's cook, we're going to start with some onions, celery, and carrots. We're going to give them a 1/4 inch rough chop. We want the pieces uniform in size, that way they cook evenly. We want approximately a 1/2 cup of each. This makes what's called our mirepoix, and when you're done, it should look approximately like this. Flavor, we're going to add some cream of chicken soup, and we're also going to go with cream of mushroom. Of course, gonna need some onion soup mix, your choice of brand there. Gonna need some bouillon, and the type of bouillon I'm using is the North. Is this type. Each one of these cubes make 2 cups of bouillon. Salt, pepper. Need about a 1/2 stick of butter. The main ingredients: turkey and noodles. And last but not least, I don't know about you guys, I got to have me some cornbread to go with that. Alright, on medium heat, we're going to take a 1/2 stick of butter, drop it in the stock pot there. I'm cooking everything in this one pot. You can see, get this butter melted here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to saute the mirepoix to soften it up. Because mind you, just about everything is cooked in this recipe except for the noodles. The turkey's already cooked, so this cook won't take that long. You know, if you have fresh garlic, this is when you want to add it, get it in there. Or you could do your garlic first, then add the mirepoix. But at this point, I'm not using fresh garlic, I'm going to use granulated powder. So about a teaspoon. I'm not going to go overboard with the seasonings because one, our main event or star of the show has already been seasoned. It's fully cooked. So we're just going to add a little pepper. This is adult education. So as much as you want or as little as you want, or you can delete it. Hit it with some garlic powder. You get a look at what that's looking like right there. And all we want to do is soften this stuff up. Hit it with a little salt. I love this. This is a sea salt grinder. Just a couple twists there. Like I said, we don't have to do a whole lot of seasoning. I got my sous chef in here, my granddaughter. She loves to cook. Right. This is what we want to see right there. See that? Let it go about another minute. This is Turkey-n-Noodles Express. Because we was making it everything completely from scratch, such as the using raw turkey. You would have to cook the turkey first. You can either roast it or you can boil it. Right, that's what we want right there. Get a look at that. of water. You can see here that I'm pulling the meat apart. You can cube it, you can chop it, you can do what you like. But I'm pulling it apart to give the illusion that I spent all day preparing this hot, delicious, savory meal.
Jay Drippin'.
As you can see, our soup is thickened up some. Now, the longer you allow it to sit on the heat, the thicker it's going to become. Your noodles are going to absorb more and more of the liquid. So, how thick you want it will determine how long you let it sit on the heat. Right now, I'm ready to have a bowl.